Welcome to 5GE's class assembly. Parents, please be reminded not to take any pictures or videos during this assembly. Ms. Eaton will send them to you.
Our assembly is for Remembrance.
A Memorial Day ceremony is a quiet, sad, and somber event. It is an assembly where we must be respectful and we are asked to think about people who have died while fighting for us so that we can live freely.
Therefore, we do not clap, even if we really enjoyed what we saw performed.
Afterwards, when it's all done, you could tell one another how much you enjoyed and appreciated the presentations.
What is Remembrance Day?
On the 11th hour, on the 11th day, in the 11th month in 1918, the Great War ended. The first Remembrance Day was held in 1919 to commemorate the end of the war.
King George V initiated 2-minute silence to remember those who had given their lives.
This day was originally known as Armistice Day.
In modern times on Remembrance Day, we think of all those who lost their lives in conflict, including wars in which people still actively fighting today.
Now we'll perform a short piece of drama freeze frames. Please remember to not applaud when finished. Why do people wear poppies? Poppies are an international symbol of remembrance. Poppies were the first flowers to grow in former battlefields in Belgium and France, where many soldiers are buried.
Their paper-thin petals were the first signs of new life and renewal.
They inspired John McCrae, a Canadian doctor, to write a famous war poem, In Flanders Fields.
In Flanders fields the poppies blow between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, larks still bravely singing fly, scarcely heard amid the guns' blow. We are the dead, short days ago. We lived, felt dawn and saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw the torch bearers to hold it high. If you break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies blow in Flanders fields.
You may hear the phrase, lest we forget, but what does it mean?
Lest means in case. Lest we forget means that it should not be forgotten. We should not forget the people who have lost their lives fighting for their country.
We will now perform a short piece of interpretive dance. Again, please be reminded not to clap at the end.
Soldier, keep on marching on. Head down till the work is done. Waiting on that morning sun. Soldier, keep on marching on. Head in the dust, feet in the fire. Labor on that midnight wire, listening for that angel choir. You got nowhere to run. Wanna take a drink of that promised land. Gotta wipe the dirt off of your hands. Careful, son, you got dreamers plans, but it gets hard to stand. Soldier, keep on marching on. Head down till the work is done. Waiting on that morning sun. Soldier, keep on marching on.
Why lay a wreath?
A wreath is an arrangement of twigs, leaves, and flowers from palms or trees, and it is fastened in the shape of a circle. The ring shape suggests something that is everlasting, eternal, or something that doesn't end.
It shows a sign of respect towards the soldiers that have lost their lives fighting. It suggests that even though they died, their spirit, their bravery, and their lives will not be forgotten.
We will now perform a short song written and composed by 5GE and Mr. Chambers.
Thank you for watching our assembly. We will now have a 2 minutes of silence to reflect.